Hello guys, welcome back to another legend. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. So here in this nice area, and it's a nice sunny day here in late February. So without further ado, we're going to take off.
Home point updated.
Alright, first of all, let's go to the max height. We're going to get, the sun's gone away, but it's behind the clouds right now, it's going to come back. So we're going to 360 photo. We're going to get 360 view of this area. So once we go to the max height, we're going to go to 360 photo mode.
Max altitude reached.
Alright, so let's explore this area. We're gonna go around. There's nice infrastructure here with water. Let's explore that as well. Let's go over it. Let's see what's down here. So it looks like it's something to do with water. We're gonna go around it. I'm gonna get an orbit shot of it. Alright, after that, let's go. Look at that, looks really nice here. Let's get an orbit shot of this. Alright, let's go back now. Let's come back. And then we're going to explore this little pond over there. There's a train coming, as you can see. Let's get an orbit shot of it. Let's go around like this, get a nice shot. Amazing. Alright, so where should we go now? Let's explore down here. Let's go to this pond. It's a bit of headwind. So we're going to get a nice shot of this blue lake. It looks really nice. Looks amazing. What's weird, when you look down here, you can see it doesn't look as blue anymore. I mean, it kind of does look blue, but when you look ahead, it's more blue. That's because of the reflection of the sky. The lake is reflecting the sky. What else is to explore down here? Let's explore this area down here. There's more lakes down here, as you can see. Let's get an orbit shot. Alright, let's start heading back. Where else can we go in this area? Look at that nice shot of the train. That was perfect timing. The train is going down here. You know what we might do? I might land this drone and go back down there. I go in that area and then just take off from there and just explore that area, because there's not much to see down here. We might as well go to a different area and make the most out of the battery. But first, let's explore this lake over here. Let's see what this lake looks like. Amazing shot. I don't know what that is, but you'll be able to see it better on the screen, 4K. I'm just seeing it on the iPhone. So as you can see, there's boats down here. Let's get an orbit shot of that. Where else can we go? Let's get this kind of shot. Let's get a sideways shot. Let's get footage of that. What else can we get a shot of? Let's see what's down here. Let's explore this area a little bit. Seems like a facility for waters. As you can see, looks amazing. Let's explore it. There's another train. Insane. Alright, after that, let's start heading back. Yeah, let's start heading back, and we'll land. We're gonna land right now, and we're gonna go to somewhere different. We're gonna go back to where we were, and then because there's not much to explore here. We're gonna go down. We're gonna land, and then we're gonna take off in another area. Let's get a last shot of the train. Amazing. Let's carry on taking the shot actually. first. Let's see what's down here. But maybe we can just fly from here. Actually, I'm running out of battery now. I'm 39%. Let's start it back. Let's get the train still there. I've only got 38% now. I'm not sure if it's worth taking off there. Alright, I'll land it as soon as possible. I've got my power bank. I'm going to charge it on the way there, and then I'm going to continue my flight there. The thing is, we've got headwind right now, so we're going to use a little bit of the battery coming back right now. Still got 31%. Alright, so we're at a different location. I charged my drone a little bit with my power bank, so we got a little bit more battery now. So we're in a different area, so we're going to take off here. I've never done this. I never took off in one location, continued in another. So we're going to do it for the first time. We're going to see what it's like. So as you can see, the sun's starting to come out now. It was cloudy a bit and I waited for the sun to come out a little bit. Sun's coming out now, as you can see. I'm going to go to the max height here and we'll do a 360 photo here as well. Stop recording. 360 photo.
Max altitude reached.
We've completed the 360 photo. We're going to carry on now. The sun's come out now. Alright, so where should we go now? Let's go this way. I want to go this way. I want to explore this little canal over here. This little train station over here, we're going to explore that as well. So the wind's blowing toward this way, as you can see. Look at that station. Looks amazing. The wind started to pick up now. I don't know why. So let's explore this river. Let's follow it. Let's follow the river. Actually, let's come back now. Yeah, we only got 30% now. We're gonna come back. I'm going to explore this area as well. So the sun's come out proper now. Let's see what's down here. Strong winds now. We're getting a strong wind warning, and don't just move. The gimbal just moved about. We're bringing it back now. We're here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through these goalposts, and we're gonna get some insane shots. So let's do that. Winds are too strong. It just suddenly came. It was actually there's no winds before. This is really strange. So let's go through this. Yeah, the wind's too strong. Let's go for look. GoPro's through here. We're gonna go through it, as you can see. As you can see, I'm seeing a drone, and I think
Battery level is low.
Wait, we're gonna go
Aircraft
close.
will
We're gonna go in
return to the
sports
home
mode.
point in 10
I
seconds.
never really get shots like this. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Insane shots, look at that. Gotta be careful, we don't want to hit it. If we hit it at this speed, we're finished. We're cooked. Alright. We're done now, we're gonna head back now. We're gonna land. Let's come back the same way actually. We're gonna come in normal mode. Oh, the low battery swooped me a little bit, but we're fine. Gotta make sure we don't hit any birds. Alright, let's land it now. We'll go over there and get it. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flights. 2 locations, insane. Subscribe for the next one. I'll speak to you soon.